Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to use promo code on DraftKings. So first of all, you need to head over to the official DraftKings website. Once you're on the DraftKings homepage, click on this sign up button right over here. It'll take you to this screen. From here, you need to create your DraftKings account like you usually would. Once you're done filling up all the information, scroll down and you'll see the promo code option right over. Now if you have a DraftKings sign-up bonus promo code, you can simply put it in this field to claim the benefits. You can easily find the DraftKings sign-up promo code on the official DraftKings website. Well, that's how you use promo code on DraftKings. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.